Welcome, everybody. This is Craig Henderson. I'm the account specialist with Identity Software Solutions. We'll just give a minute for everybody to join. Okay, we're going to get started. So today we will be discussing the features of the Mobile Assist application and take a look at how it can help ServiceNow agents. Mobile Assist significantly enhances your mobile experience when using the ServiceNow agent app. It can centrally organize all incidents, problems, changes, or any other similar tasks from any task table. Also, you get critical mobile alerts of your choice from chosen task tables and SLAs. You can find organized upcoming SLAs, dashboards, reports, service portal, knowledge base, smart directory, and much more. Mobile Assist is a ServiceNow certified app, and it's available completely free at the ServiceNow store. We offer free one-on-one sessions on mobile configuration. With us today, we will have Jay Patel from our technical team. He's our senior ServiceNow developer. And we may also have Ash Ahuja, who's the principal consultant, join us. And Jay is going to give us a presentation. Today, we're not going to focus much on configuration. For that, we will have a separate webinar where we will go more into the details of configuration. We also have a few more apps in the ServiceNow store, and we will also have upcoming webinars for those as well coming soon. I won't take too much more time. I'm going to go ahead and hand things over to Jay. If you do have any questions, please write them, and we will try to answer them at the end of the presentation, time permitting. If we can't get to all of the questions, we'll try to respond via email. So with that, I'll go ahead and hand it over to Jay.
Thanks, Green. Welcome, everyone. So in this webinar, we will discuss about the features of Mobile Assist application. So basically, what is Mobile Assist application? So as Craig mentioned, it's an enhancement to the existing application. So here we have a centralized option to manage all the tasks, SLAs, notifications for all the tables which are extending from tasks, and we have options to view dashboards, service portal, knowledge bases. So we will be going through each features of Mobile Assist application in this webinar. So supported versions are New York and Orlando versions of ServiceNow. We have apps for both in the ServiceNow store. And as Craig mentioned, the app is completely free. So how to start with this app? So we need to perform two steps. So in first step, we need to install the ServiceNow agent app in mobile application. Like for Android, from Android Play Store, and for Apple devices from App Store. Okay, so in the second step, we need to download the Mobile Assist application from ServiceNow store, and we can start with our dev instance. Okay, so once we are downloaded the app, we just need to do configuration, and it will be ready for use. So basically, we have four sections in Mobile Assist application. So MA Global, MA Dashboard, MA Cases, and MA Announcement. So in each section, we have multiple features. So we'll be discussing all these in this. So in MA Cases, it's just an optional. It will be enabled only if customer service management application is enabled. Okay. So let's go to the mobile and see how these sections are visible in mobile. Okay. So for today's demo, we are using virtual mobile app for demo. Okay. So this is the ServiceNow agent app which we have downloaded from Play Store. So we need to configure our instance which we want to log in. So once we provide the URL, we just need to provide the credentials. Okay. So once we have installed Mobile Assist and configured it correctly, so we will be seeing all these four sections like MA Global, which contains all the information of all the tasks assigned to a user or its group. It contains SLAs. So it contains smart directory, self-service options. So in MA dashboard, we have options to choose view a report or view a dashboard. We also have predefined few default dashboards. Okay. So in MA cases, it's basically for customer service management, where agents can see active cases, escalated cases. Okay. So MA announcement, it's a feature we have configured enabled in the Mobile Assist application, where announcements can be sent to across the company. Like we can configure announcements in ServiceNow, and once we generate, it will be reached to the required end users. Okay. So coming back to the PPT. So we features. So the main feature we have in Mobile Assist application is the notifications. Um, so we have a centralized place where ServiceNow admins can easily configure notifications for any table which is being extended from base task table. Okay, and admins can decide on what criteria the notifications, push notifications should be sent to the user. Like for example, the requirement is if the problem record is created and assigned to a user, then the notification, push notification should be sent out. So that can be configured. Okay. So for that we have here. Let me just log in. So here we have the push notifications options. So like we have one by default. Okay. So here we can select the table name, in which table we want to trigger the notification. We have options like when the task assignment is happening at the time the notification should trigger, or we also have an option we can trigger the notification if the comments and work notes are being updated. Okay. So we also have a condition criteria. Here we can mention like for example the notification should be triggered only for priority 1 cases. Then at that time we can just mention priority is 1. Priority is critical. So only for P1 cases the notification will be sent out in mobile. So here it's very easy to configure for admins. No need to write any code explicitly. Okay. So it can be, we can create these records for any table, any number of tables which are extending from the base task table. So moving to the next one. So we have ticket and SLA management, as like I showed in the Mobile Assist Global. So let's go to the app. So here under MA Global, we can see my all open tasks. So it will contain all the tasks assigned to the user, like incident, problem task, change task, everything which is assigned to user, it will be available here. So user can see all these details in the list here. Okay. So if user wants to perform any action, for example, let's open this task. So user want to see more information, he can see all the details of this incident, and in the activity stream he can see the work notes and additional comments. User can add the additional comments and work notes. add additional comments, add work notes. He can attach any file. Okay. And if he wants to reassign this task, he can also do that from the mobile itself. Like he can reassign the task to some other user. Okay. So all these options, reassign option, it will be available for all the tasks. So next we have my group task, where it shows the details of all the tickets assigned to a user's group. Like 91 tasks are there in the group which are assigned, and 300 plus are there which are unassigned. So user can view these and assign to himself. Okay. So the next section we have my SLAs. Sorry. Okay. So here we have two sections called my SLAs and my group SLAs. So here we can see SLAs of the tickets which are assigned to the user. Like you can see there is one SLA which is running and which is not breached yet. So there are this count, you can see there are 17 tickets which are already breached. So he can take action on those tickets directly by viewing the records from here. So these users can easily manage all their information. So here we have another feature called bookmarks. So users can add a bookmark to any record from the mobile, and when he wants to work on the desktop, he can review those bookmarks and work on that later. So for example, we have let's take any one of the ticket here. So here he can see bookmark. He can add anything here, like he wants to connect to the user to work on this. So just he can add it. Need to connect with user. Anything. Just once he adds the bookmark, when he go and visit this particular record in the ServiceNow, he can able to see it. Like for example, we have a bookmark section here. So he can see this is the comments he has created. So when he goes to the mobile, he can work on this, and he can, once his action is completed, he can remove the bookmark from here. Okay. So moving to the next feature, we have dashboards and reports which can be easily viewed from the mobile. So for this we have MA dashboard app. So in a MA dashboard, user can easily choose any report which he wants to view, or he can choose the dashboard and he can see all the information. Let's see, like let's try to view one dashboard from mobile. Okay. Let's open this dashboard. So when we actually open this in the mobile, so we can zoom and view the data if required. Okay. So by this he can see reports and dashboards from mobile. So we'll go to the next feature. Please write down your questions if you have anything. We'll discuss at the end. So the next feature is the smart directory, where anyone can access user table directly from the mobile, and if required, he can directly connect with the user using mobile number or the email, can directly message it. So this option contains under MA global section. We go to MA global. Here we can see smart directory. So user can access all the user records. If he wants to connect with user, he can just open and he can directly call or send an email directly from here. So if he wants to send an email, if you just click here, default email application will open, and he can send the email. Similarly, like if he wants to call, he can just click here. It by default um, call application will open, and user can call these required user. Okay. So the next feature we have is agents can easily access service request through service portal from the mobile, and also the knowledge bases. So by using this feature, they can directly submit request from mobile and track the status of the request. And by viewing the knowledge articles from mobile, agents, if they are working remotely on any data center or anything, and if they want to view any knowledge articles, they can directly view from mobile and perform their actions. So this is also available under Mobile Assist Global section. Like here under self-service, we have knowledge base and service portal. So moving to the next feature, yeah. So coming to this, so we have ServiceNow is providing by default ServiceNow app as well, agent app. So what is the difference between ServiceNow agent app and what mobile assist application which we are providing? So these are the differences. So by default, ServiceNow does not provide any reports and dashboards module from mobile. So that is available in Mobile Assist. By default, ServiceNow only provides the incident information, like only incidents data can be viewed, and in notifications, push notifications are configured by default for only for incidents. But in our Mobile Assist, it can be configured easily for any table which is extending from task table. So here we have SLA information we can easily manage. So all these features we have in Mobile Assist application. So what are the things we don't have in Mobile Assist? Like incident management is available by default, so it's not available in us. So when we enable incident management, user can see both Mobile Assist as well as incident management in mobile. Field service management is also by default available, so we are not providing that. And approvals. So all these will be available by default, so we are just providing the rest of the things which are missing in ServiceNow. Okay. So moving back to the application, so here we have the next feature called Mobile Assist cases. Here users can agents can work on all the cases like through in customer service management. So if you just open, they have an option to reassign the case, bookmark the case, or close the case directly from mobile. Okay. So the next feature what we have is Mobile Assist application, which I showed. Like, admins can easily create a record in ServiceNow, so it will just trigger the notification to user. So just if I go to Mobile Assist here, so we have the announcement feature. We'll just open any one of the existing report. So we just need to create a record in this table with the title and message, and the recipients who we need to trigger, and the notification will be sent out. So this will be useful if when we are company like when we wants to notify some particular location users or all the users with any information. So this feature will be helpful. So we are not going in depth for each features. Like we have a separate demo webinars scheduled to go over each features in detail with demo. So in this demo, we are just covering this high level, what all the features available. So we'll go to the questions we have.
Hey, Jay, thanks for that presentation. I see we have a couple of questions. We're running a bit short on time, so I'll just ask the first question here. It says, can we resolve a task like problem from the app?
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Kay. Yeah, good question. So, as I showed in the mobile app, so we have options to work on that. Like we have our options to reassign a task, bookmark a task, but the close option we do not have in the application, because when we close any task, there are a few logics by default configured, like we need to provide closer notes, closer comments, or we need to update any other attributes. So the close option we are not providing. Uh, for customer cases, we have an option. We are providing the option to close the ticket directly from the mobile. So hope that answers the question.
Okay, thank you so much, Jay. Once again, thanks for giving us that presentation. Thanks for everybody that is here with us. As I said, we're running short on time. There were a couple of other questions, but we will reach out and answer those via email. I just wanted to mention briefly that we do offer free setup, installation, and one-on-one sessions. So you can reach out to us at support@identitysol.com. We also have some upcoming webinars. On the 22nd of June, we will have a webinar on Mobile Assist announcement feature. On the 29th of June, we'll have a webinar on the Attachment Wizard app. And on the 13th of July, we're going to have a webinar on Mobile Assist feature of the SLA Management. So once again, everybody, thanks for joining us today. Hope everybody has an excellent day.
Thank you.
Thank you.